Alright guys, welcome back. So today we have the May No Bad Days kit to unbox here. So as you can see, the theme for this is my bestie. I like the script they used for this one. This is what the box looks like. So that's pretty cool. As always, we'll start out with these. Yeah, benefit photo cards. So here we have Itzy. We have Leah. Ryujin. Chaeryeong. And Yuna. And we'll just get right into the kit. Get it open real quick. Go. And we'll get her opened up. Alright, so first, looks like we have some sort of pins to go along with the pet theme, I guess you could call it. Cats and dogs. Let's see what we got. We got like a cat there. Dog. Another cat. White dog. And another dog. So those are pretty cute. Next we got the regular photo card set that comes with all of the kits. Put that there. So we got Itzy. Here's the back of those. We got Leah. Ryujin. Chaeryeong. And Yuna. Next we got some stickers. Kind of like the pin designs there. I wish they had that one as a pin. I like that one. I love cat. Not even I love cats, but that's cool. What do we got here? Oh, this is like one of those happy birthday things. Since this is Itzy's birthday month. For those that don't know, she is my old bias. So that's cool. Oh, we even got the hoodie Itzy I like, or like the robe thing. So there's that. Pretty cute. I wonder if they're gonna continue this, because if you guys don't know, the first version of this ends next month in June there. So I don't know if they're gonna continue it for the rest of the year. I bet they are gonna though. Some sort of zipper pouch, I guess you can put in your binder. I won't even bother opening that up for now. And the journal paper thing. So there's that one. Okay, so these are all the members' pets. Oh, I know these are Chaeryeong's, because I recognize them from Chaeyeon's Instagram account for him. This is Yuna. So remember, she had the V-Live with the cat. And then it's just a bunch of the blanks here. So pretty cool. Get to the front there. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure to subscribe and like for some more, and I'll see you guys next time.